Hello, I'm Fatma, your brand therapist and social media manager. Uh, this video is the first one on my channel, and this is all about social media marketing, its types, and at the end of this video, I have also included a bonus starter kit, especially for media managers who are new in this field and for small business owners who want to establish an online presence for their business. This is going to help them boost their business, and it is also going to help them in achieving their marketing goals. So let's get into it. Okay, so what is social media marketing? Social media marketing, as you can tell from the term, it is in achieving your marketing goals with the help of social media platform. And those platform can be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, even Snapchat, or any other platform there is out. You can market your business over there or your products over there, and you can increase your website traffic, you can increase your sales, you can create a brand awareness, or you can simply build relationships with your customers. So why is it important, or why does it matter? Why does it matter? Or you can say that why it has an advantage or an edge over the traditional form of marketing. The reason is that billions of people use social media, like on Instagram, on Facebook. People all around the world, no matter where they are, they're using it, they have an access to it. So billions of users mean that there's a huge potential customers out there, and you can tell them about your product, about your brand, and they'll get to know about it, and they might become your customers, they might buy from you. Second reason is targeting. You can focus on the audience that you want to reach and avoid reaching out to unnecessary audience. And thirdly, and the most important one, it is very, very cost effective. The traditional form of marketing is very expensive, like advertising on billboards, advertising via brochures, or putting up ads in newspapers. It can get very, very expensive for, especially when new businesses are starting out. So social media is very cost effective, and people nowadays usually rely more on social media and trust social media more. So, coming on to the next slide, social media marketing is of many, many types. All right, so I've discussed five main types. The first one is search engine marketing. It means, or SEO, you can say. It means that you're optimizing your content, especially for search engines, right? What it is, we're going to discuss further ahead. One second type is influencer marketing. It means that you're collaborating with influencers, and you are creating a relationship. They're going to promote your product, and in return, either you are going to pay them, or you can also increase traffic. Third one is the content marketing. It includes blogs, videos, infographics, carousels, or stories, or IG lives, all these things. The fourth one is paid advertising. It includes social media ads or sponsored posts. And the last one is affiliate marketing. It means that you're going to partner up with other businesses, and you are going to pay them in return for promoting your product. So, coming to content marketing first, which is the most common one out there, as well as the most economical. And people, especially when you're starting out, businesses that are starting out, they usually prefer content marketing. It's usually free of cost, obviously. But there are certain things that you need to know, and certain things that you should be careful about to make it successful. And what it is, and in detail I'll be discussing in the next video. But for now, content marketing is all about creating and sharing valuable content that attracts your target audience and keeping them engaged. This is the most important part, that you should target your specific audience, and the content that you are putting out there is very engaging, so that your audience is not bored. uh, Content marketing can include blogs, it includes videos, reels, carousels, behind the scene videos, maybe some infographics. So all these things, all these types are included in content marketing. A few tips for winning content. First of all, and the most important of all, that you need to know your audience. Who are the people you are dealing with? What are their interests? What are the times that they are active on social media? What they want to see, what they want to know, what are their pain points? And you'll get to know your audience by doing market research and competitor research. What it is, I'll be discussing in the next video. Second is that you have to put out valuable content. Your content should not be of low quality. It should not be of something. It should not be something that does not provide value to your audience, or your audience is not going to engage with you. Third, and also very important, is to post consistently. You have to be present there for your audience every time. And in the beginning, you don't be disheartened. Your audience is not going to come to you, so you have to go to them. You have to be present there every time that you every time, every week, right? So when they're used to of seeing you out there, they're going to trust you, they're going to build a relationship with you, and then your content is going to give you results. The last point is that your content should be visually appealing. Obviously, no one wants to engage or share a boring content, or you don't want to see it. So people have very short attention spans. The content that you put out should be short, yet very visually appealing. It should include high quality videos, high quality infographics. So you'd keep these tips in mind, and you'll create winning content. Okay, so what is influencer marketing? Influencer marketing involves collaborating with social media personalities who have a following, and they have your target audience as well. These influencers are going to promote your brand in a genuine and relatable way in exchange uh, for they're paid for it, right? So it's not like the influencers are, you have to select influencer only just because they have a good reach or a very big following. It is important to build relationship with influencers who share the same values that you or your business does, right? So it is important to be authentic as well. And this is how you have to research your competitors. You have to research what type of influencers they are approaching, and then you have to create a proposal and then approach an influencer. This way your product or your business is going to get a increased reach as well, and it is going to help you out in the long run. Then we can come to search engine marketing or SEO marketing. So as you all know, from SEO, you get the idea that their content is ranked on search engines, right? Optimized content increases the chance of your social media post appearing in search results. If your content is not optimized, when your potential customers or your audience searches for a keyword, your content is not going to appear in the search results. Then you are going to have low reach and low engagement, and eventually your strategy is not going to work out. So what tips you need for social media? Most important one is to use relevant keywords. Research your keywords, have a list of them, create a library for them, and then use them in your content. You need to optimize your titles and descriptions as well, because the algorithm identifies your relevant keywords, and then your posts or your content appears in the search engine. And the last one is to add engaging hashtags. This is especially important for Instagram, to use engaging hashtags that are relevant. It's also important to that those hashtags also include your keywords, and this way there'll be better chances of you appearing in the search engine when your target audience or your potential customer searches for you. Okay, so then the second last one is paid advertising. Paid advertising allows you to promote your brand or content to a highly targeted audience on social media platforms. These include paid ads on Facebook. On They can also include paid ads on Google. So for this, it's better to approach a ads consultant that can help you out as well, because obviously they are paid, so nobody wants their money to get wasted. The pro tip that I've included is that you should know your goals very clearly. You should know, and you should know what audience you're targeting, so that your ads are reaching the relevant people, and then they're going to there's a better chance of them, clicking on that ad, or coming to your website and buying your product. Then it is affiliate marketing. So, affiliate marketing lets you partner with other businesses to promote their products or services. You can earn a commission for each sale generated through your affiliate link. So, it is, for example, we can take uh, uh, for example, if you are a blogger and you review makeup, so if there's a lipstick of any brand that you are reviewing, at the end of your blog you can put up a link for that makeup, and the reader can, by clicking that link, they can reach that website and buy their product if they're interested. So this way, every time that they click your link and they use your link to buy the product, you'll get a commission out of it. So this is known as affiliate marketing. It is also a great way of earning. This is also a type of social media marketing. This is the end of the types of social media. Coming up next is the starter kit that I promised in the beginning. Okay, so the essential tools that it contains. Number one comes for content creation tools. For content creation tools, I use Canva and Adobe Spark. Canva is my favorite one. It is very, very user friendly, very easy. Especially, you can buy Canva Pro for a very minimal subscription. That way, you get access to amazing tools to create your product. For scheduling tools, you can use Hootsuite, you can use Buffer. Although they are paid, but the unpaid version that I use is the best that I like, and I use for my clients as well. It is MetaSuite, so you can use that as well. For analytics, you use Google Analytics, social platform analytics. Like Instagram has its own insights. LinkedIn also has their own sites. So this way, you can use that platform's own analytics as well. Lastly, the CRM tools. They include HubSpot and Zoho. This way, you know, uh, you can manage the engagement with your followers and your audiences. So, setting up, you need to keep in mind three things: profiles, content calendar, and brand guidelines. So you need to first of all set up a Gmail account, have make profiles in different platforms. You need to decide which platform you want to target. It can be social, it can be Facebook, it can be Instagram. It all depends on the audience that you have. If you have a younger audience, it's better to use TikTok and Instagram. If you have an older audience, Facebook is your go-to. So make a profile according to that on those platforms, and optimize them according to SEO, so that you have a better chance of appearing when people search out for you. Secondly, it is very important to have a content calendar. You need to a content calendar to plan your posts. It's like highly recommended to use a content calendar. There are several templates on Canva available. Otherwise, you can make your own calendar on. I personally use a calendar on Google Drive. I update it I make a month's worth of posts beforehand, and make a calendar out of it. Then I update it daily, which posts I have already posted, which are scheduled, and which are in draft. So this way, it's very recommended that you stay organized, so that you do not miss up on your post, and also helps you out in posting consistently. The last one is brand guidelines. You need to develop brand guidelines to maintain your consistency. Brand guidelines include your logos, includes your taglines, includes the tone that you want to set up with your audience. Uh, I'll be talking about these things in detail in the future, so worry not. All right, this is just a very summarized form that I have put out here. So, coming to the last slide, this is a conclusion. We talked about what is social media marketing, all right, and how it helps in reaching your business goals, how it helps in increasing your reach, increasing your sales, what types of social media marketing are there. It can be content marketing, it can be SEOs, it can be affiliate marketing, it can be influencer marketing, or it can simply be, paid advertising. And in the end, we discussed in a very concise and precise form. I gave you out a starter kit to establish your presence on social media, what tools that you need to have. You need to have some content making tools, scheduling tools. You need to have SRM managing tools. So that's about it. Stay tuned. In the next video, I'll be talking about content strategies and branding guidelines. All right. So take care, everyone. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, you can put them down in the comments below, and I'll be responding to you. Take care. Goodbye.